Hi everyone. So a couple of days ago I launched my latest project, which I've been working on for forever, it feels like now, but it's a website called learnirishtunes.com. And I already have a concertina lessons website, so this one is pretty similar, except this one is for all instruments and the other one is for just concertinas. So with this new website, I wanted to give you all the old, not all, but the core essential session tunes of Ireland. The old tunes, the Tarbolton Tree, the Abbey Reel, the Gatehouse Maid and Down the Broom, the Enchanted Lady in the Holy Land. All these old great reels that we play in the sessions, and when we play one of them, nearly everyone in the session turns into the next one because those tunes have always been played together. So I wanted to give you those selections of tunes. But as well as that, because it's not all just about the tunes and the notes, it's about how you play them, it's about the rhythm, it's about the music that comes between the notes, it's about the swing and the phrasing and the sway and the flow and the emphasis and the rhythm. So I poured as many tips as I could into each of the lessons on playing those tunes with good rhythm, and try to give you loads of tips. So check it out. It's called learnirishtunes.com. There's over 100 tunes there. I hope you can enjoy it if you sign up. Let me know what you think.